about the grammar of KIRU. The grammar of KIRU is mean to do something completely to the end. To do something completely the end. And in Japanese, when you use the grammar of KIRU, you can use with the verb only, but you should change the verb to be the must form and cut out the must. So you always say stem form, right? Stem form. So for example, yomimasu. So you can say yomi, right? Cut out the must. And followed by kiru or kireru. You have the same meaning, but depend to the situation that you're talking about, and depend to your sentence too. You can use kiru or kireru. It just has the same meaning, so don't be confused when you see something like this, kiru or kireru. But what you have to remember is when you use with the kiru or kireru, you should change the verb to be the must form and cut out the must out of the verb that you are going to use with the kireru. And for the grammar of KIRU, it means that do something completely to the end. That means you start to do something and until it's finished. So you have that meaning. But when you translate, you should translate depend to the main meaning. So let's go to see some sample. The first sample, どうしてそう言い切れるのですか? どうしてそう言い切れるのですか? Which means, how can you say that? How can you say that? The second sentence. 長い小説を2日間で読み切った。長い小説を2日間で読み切った。Which means, I finished reading the long novel in 2 days. I finished reading the long novel in 2 days. You see that for the first sentence, they say, どうしてそう言い切れるのですか? The first, we are going to focus about the grammar. They use the verb, right? You, which means say. Iu, right? It right in the dictionary form. Iu. But we change to the must one, we say I, right? Or we say faster, imasu. So when we use the kireru, we cut out the must out, so we just left the only I, right? Ikireru. Ikireru. Or if you say faster, ikireru. Something like this. So ikireru, that mean, how can you say that? Which mean the main meaning that you say something that absolutely that you have decided. You made a decision that you say that and you don't change what you say again. So ikireru, which means you cut out some words, some sentence, some of the meaning that you will do that, you are going to do something like that, so you ikireru. And for the second sentence, you see that we use the yomikita. It's from the dictionary form yomu, right? Yomu. But change to the must form, yomi must, which means reading. Yomi must read. And we cut the must out, we just left only yomi and plus kiru. So we say yomikita. Yomikita, that means you finish for reading book. Yomi, which means reading. Kiru, this means finish or complete, something like this. So when you read, finish, for the novel, right? In this sentence, they say, 長い小説を2日間で読み切った。That means you use two days to read a novel, long novel, and you can finish for reading that novel or that book in 2 days. So in a situation like this, you can say yomikita. Yomikita is mean the past tense, right? So you already completed for reading. And the next, お小遣いを使い切ってしまった。お小遣いを使い切ってしまった。お小遣いを使い切ってしまった。It means I spend all my pocket money. I spend all my pocket money. You see that in this sentence we use 使う, right? So 使います。cut out the must. 使い切ってしまった. That means you use, right? If you just say 使います, it means use. Use what? Use money, right? 小遣い is mean money. So when you use all of your money, you left nothing. So you can say 使い切ってしまった it means nothing in your pocket. Kid is mean cut, like cut out. So it's mean absolutely. And the next, 今日はもう魚を全部売り切れた。今日はもう魚を全部売り切れた。Which means I've already sold all of the fish for today. I have already sold all of the fish for today. For this sentence, we use the word of ulu. Ulu is mean sell. So we change the must, uli must, right? So we cut out the must, uli kileta. Uli kileta. Ulu or uli must is mean sell. But when you sell all other your products, such as fish, something that you sell. But in this case, when they say sakana o zenbu uli kileta, that means they sold out, right? They sold out all of the fish for they take to sell today. Completely left nothing in their hand. So you can say uli kileta. Uli kileta, that's mean nothing left. Thank you very much for watching my video clip. And please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next time. ありがとうございました。